Look, King Baga Onalekwal. When I used to be Soweto TV, he came here to Joburg. He said, Prophet Mporo, I admire you. I'm your boy. Please come and see me and bless me. I refused, yes. I refused. Way back, 2014, 2013. Yeah. I refused. He begged me. He knows King Baga. He's a small boy. Once he mentioned, and he thought I will not get out of prison. That's why he prophesied. He said, "Angeka phume izinto zimphenduke because everything nefasitswe." Remember hake rapela on Soweto TV, but some roofs were falling. Ilwane ziphume ziwele phansi. Some like onajwale kenale USB. Airing carried by Christ on the cross. I pray there the way I used to pray because Soweto TV, I have a program there. People pray with me through their depression. And even
some of these clips, like you praying then,
yeah. They have to look at them in the old archives, but you'll get them. And people getting healed and so on. So my popularity, they were inspired by me. Let about the bodyguard, let about some that high price. They so can, right? And so, because I did not do it, Babang, they hate you because you didn't embrace them. They want your attention, you didn't give them. So because of that, King Baga is talking. Actually, he's not a king, he's a small boy. All right? He wants, even Ketlelezi is better than him. All right? He's a very small boy. He doesn't. Usaphuma mafinyela lo mfana. Usadla mafinyelo King Baga. Uyazi now ayikho into ongangenza yona. Ngiphumile ejele and so on. So that I'm 40 years healing the sick. I don't know how old is this boy. I went full-time into the ministry. Some of the pictures they will show you. When I went full-time to the ministry, I was 17 years. Leaving everything, going to the ministry. Right? And that is 40 years ago. Where was King Baga? And then two, go Malawi. I've never been in Malawi. The only person I know in Malawi is my small boy who called for my help. You can put it there. You will see it go, what is this question time, where Hubert Angel, do you know how big is Hubert Angel?
He's big.
He called me through the phone of Shepherd Bushir and said, you are the only person who can help him. And Shepherd Bushiri, who killed people, there's a video, you'll see it. You can hear him say, he killed a pastor called Limpopo
Bushiri
for penning his oil. Yeah, he's a murderer, that boy.
But is there any proof regarding this?
Kere, he's speaking it himself. Now I don't want to, I'm using himself. And I rebuked him, and then he said he repented. That's why I ended up helping Bushiri. Ne? He defrauded people who came to me. I paid for their rent. I bought them food. Look into my old Facebook stories where Black Twitter supported me, but when he repented, I supported him, and then so he's the only boy I know in Malawi. And if you check on Facebook, there are many people from Malawi. They love me.
Guys, please, please pause and then do your research. Go to Facebook, like Abile, go and search those things. Remember, you don't want to be YouTube like social media. Do your own research and then you'll make your own decision after this.
Yeah, Prophet Mboro Times. You'll hear even Bushiri himself, you need to put it where he acknowledges me. There was a time when they wanted to destroy his church. I stood there and I saved him because he was crying like a baby, saying "Kentwana how," you know, and my TikTok mboro muporo. So my point, Kore, I've never been in Malawi. I never had any interest. Yeah.
So your answer what I wanna ngaka spana lone ko Malawi.
Ngaka bashimane baba fitla maubani.
And when you've been doing this since 17 years.
Full time in the ministry. Ka 1986 ke ona mo ne ke tswere pastoral theology diploma. One understand. So the point, Kore, I've been doing this. I think about 1985, my sister's son, Obedience, had polio. His legs were like this. He had measles. I prayed for him. About 1985-86. That is 39 years ago. He can walk until now. You talk of the man that Oileng Hore Ekurleni gave me an award. Hey, I wish Ikare Nkabekitsibile Kibweke Tswere Molebon.
Yeah.
Community builder of the city. There's no pastor tossing such an award. When there was drought here, I called Minister Mkonyani, you know, water and sanitation. I called her. Honorable Mayor Mzwandile Masina. And I told them already, in 7 weeks ago now, starting from Monday. Can you believe that? Starting from Monday it rained. So, but Barwele cannot control thunder, storms, floods, hails. You know, they get their power from the thunder, the thunder, lightning, the graves, the rivers, the mountains. When the flood then came, the executive mayor that Akabutsu, he called me and said, "Hey, Mfundisi," Yana doesn't call me prophet. He said, "Mfundisi, imvula yako na ayana la. Abantu bathatwa imvula la. It's killing people now." Then I said, "Executive mayor, Puma Uyengaphandle. I'm stopping it now." There was a King Minister Onele Mayatula, Onele Wang Social Development. Kabafonela lwana karabashebe kai stop immediately.
Yeah.
So kinna fela. All right.
Ene ko mofakazela bafethu
yaka stop ntotse
ko mofakazela because ka usanta bile re ke muela Pastor Mboro bara was here mo bafethu ke le mo Pastor Mboro bula yena ara bafethu ke azwa ka ke na le majita he
was shoot that no it was stop
so ntwa buang le nna ke paka was there ara stop pula so ntwa buang no ke bone
ka stop le shebile ne le shoti na le teng wa lona o
nalte
I'm glad I see Tokolosi because Nekere Tolo Raya no le keep uditswe. Yeah, so my point is the power where even Kitse de Awatak, where even you call this Kiskakwala Awatahao. The whole
city of Ekurule.
Yes. The whole leadership Yakwako Free State, when there was drought there, they came to church. Bo Honorable Executive Mayor Vos Chabalal, the MMC, the whole. When they left, once they got in Free State, the very same day, it rained. Fika pasu ya pame. So I would pray there. Marwako paneba shibi. So aona mutoro weling. Kanga kako Malawi. Nake rwele ka Jesu ka Maqeba
a Jesu
the nails that went on his hand, the stripes, the wounds, the blood of Jesus Christ. So kiona ki rapela modimo Abraham, Isaac le Jacob. They call him Yahweh, they call him Elohim, they call him Jehovah. Kitswere And the same power I have, if you have a relationship now, I mean, that's when that they gave me an award.
City of Ekurhuleni.
You talk of the man who built that.
Any pastor atola award eso from City of Ekurhuleni. Dry. They called a prophet and then Anisapula Kabamnat.
The hostel. When they were fighting that demo during the transition, kungahanjwa lapho on the Ko1. Neke pata ma comrades. Ulibuyima ndati. Sithunya sela kamalika mo sina muruto tsamang mafu.
Marano
I've done a lot.
Yabo okhozini ngo 2017 uSibu Buthelezi wayecheme nalenyoni ngalikhuluma iqiniso yo interview yami kuKhozi FM ayiphelanga kahle bavele bayinqamula yayinqanyulwa uSibu Buthelezi ngakho nje naye thema sekuvela amaqiniso ukuthi uyinhloboni sathi nje akabuyisela imali yabantu asifuna ukumjaja kodwa akabuyisela imali yabantu ngoba awukwazi ukuthatha u600,000 yomuntu bese uthi hayi wawuthi uyazama akuzamekanga no yabo so ngasho ngathi mina lo wenza iphezinde akasebenzi ngoNkulunkulu lokho I can stand up until the last press ngathi akasebenzi ngoNkulunkulu igama likaNkulunkulu ulisebenzisa ngoba ufuna ukufeza inhloso zakhe ngaze ngasho ngathi usebenza ngenyanga inyanga yakhe iseZimbabwe inyanga yalo into eyenzeke kuyena ubekade efuna inyanga yakhe angithi umuntu ophaphayo lo wenza iphezindi akhuluma izinto athi ubesemkhathini ubekuphi ubebona uNkulunkulu bese etshela inyanga ukuthi ayiyenze leyo nto kube ngathi reality yathi inyanga yakhe lezi zinto ezikhulumayo zingaphezulu kwelevel yethu musu ukukhuluma izinto impossible waxabana nenyanga yakhe inyanga yakhe baxabane kahle ngo 2022 yilabe exabane khona nenyanga yakhe I mean yaseMalawi not eZimbabwe inyanga yakhe yaseMalawi baxabana yasiyambhena ukuthi angaphinde eze kuyona sithi bexabanile nenyanga yakhe from lapho izinto ekade ayisebenzisa zenyanga zajika zalwa naye zafuna ukumexpose loyana ka exposewa uNkulunkulu ngibazwile abantu bethi uNkulunkulu yam-expose cha aka-exposewa uNkulunkulu u-exposewa inyanga yakhe yaseMalawi khumbuleke nasi lesitezi lesengasithembisa iso lesi engasithembisa asibonakali kahle and ngiyakha futhi nasi siza esimbiwe nje recently naka futhi ama blocks lama blocks lawa azokwakha nakho uyabona sezantsi amanye nakho yabo ukhumbuleke ngishilo ngathi nansi ya imakhandakhanda na imakhandakhanda dam imakhandakhanda house lesedamini bese kuzothi lapha ya King Bhakanzama village as you can see yabo ayigcinike lapha ya ivillage iyaqhubeka nansi ya nasi lesitezi uzosikhumbula nasi yasibo nasi ngangishilo ubantu ngiqala ukusakha nasi lesitezi ilanga niqole libheke ngapha ama toilet lawa ama blocks lawa uzokwakhiwa la uyabo King Bhaka uzikhulumelani lezi ndaba ezingaka ngizikhuluma ngamabomu lezi ndaba ngoba ngifuna abantu ba understand ukuthi makukhulunywa ngamandla ami kukhulunywa ngani ngamabomu inyanga yakhe lo iseMalawi waxabana nenyanga yakhe ngo 2022 mawuxabana nenyanga yakho kade kunika izinto lezi zinto obuyisebenzisa ugila imkhuba kubantu umanipulate abantu esontweni ziyajika zilwe zik-expose so lento abantu abambone seyenza eseyesikoleni eyonzana esikoleni ephethe ikhali umuntu nje mfethu eSouth Africa esiphila kuyona kulo South Africa esiphila kuyona akuvumelekile ukuphatha umbese bese uhamba emgwaqweni uOkapu nje ubanje iphoyisa uphethe uOkapu yonke ibizwa ngedangerous weapon uyaboshwa uboshwela ukuthi uficwe nesikhali esiyingozi awuvumelekile ungahlaselanga umuntu mhlawumbe nifuna ungizwa ungahlaselanga umuntu awuvumelekile ukuthi uphathe isikhali esiyingozi bese uhamba emgwaqweni eSouth Africa. Angiphathi mawuzophatha ucelembe, uphathe ubush, uphathe the bush knife. Bese ungagcini lapho, bese uyahamba uyapi? Uye esikoleni la kufunda khona izingane zabanye abazali. La ngafundi khona ingane yakho noma ingane esihlobo sakho, la kufunda khona izingane zabanye abazali. And abazali abakhulisa izingane zabo ngokwesithunzi abangafuni zibe exposed to anything a danger. Bese uyasuka wena uphatha isikhali uya esikoleni la kunothisha abazeli ukuzosebenza nokuzofundisa ufika ubasabise ngesikhali. Into leyo engavumelekile ngezinga eliphezulu. Mhlawumbe ake ngiyichaze kancane lento. Noma kuthiwa mzali awuxabene namuntu. Noma kuthiwa awuxabene namuntu. Ingane mawusuyidedelile wathi ayiye esikoleni noma idedeliwe ukuthi ingane ayiye esikoleni. Isuke seyisezandleni leyo ngane zothisha. Kakhulukazi uthisha omkhulu. Noma yini eyenzeka enganeni mayisesikoleni uthi uprincipal must account. So uma kuzosuka umzali athi mina during the break time ngizofika ngithatha ingane yami ngingamtshelanga uthisha or uthisha omkhulu lapho ungaboshwa ngisho ukuboshwa ibizwa ngekidnap yonto ine charge ikidnap. Uma uthatha ingane esikoleni akube ukuthi siyasuka kuthisha siyayiza kuwena kweyakho ingekho impi ekhona. Uma ungafike uyintshontshe ingane during break time yonto leyo ikidnap. So akwalo mfundisi Mbumbulu kuweso kwakhe ngoba yena uqhamuka ngesikhathi sokufunda wenzani ukhipha ikhali kusaba izingane kusabothisha kusabo principal kuthuka ama governing board kuthuka abazali bonke jikelele. Uyabona yonto leyo baba eyenye into ke leyo ke. So ingangithi angeke ngiyichaze leyo ukuze nomunye umuntu onenkinga no baby mama izinkinga zenu zigcinene emzini yenu zingakapakeli esikoleni. Zingakapakeli esikoleni. Ngoba once ingane yasesikoleni seyisezandleni zesikole. Noma ingane ingawa mayiwele esikoleni othisha kumele babone ukuthi bayisiza kanjani. Othisha kumele bayithathe ingane mayigula bayise esibhedlela ngoba kusuke kuyingane yabo ngalesikhathi leso. Angazi noma niyakizwa yini. Awuthi ngiphendule ikhamera. Kubalulekile ukuthi mangiyikhuluma izindaba ngiyikhulume ngokungathemi, ngiyikhulume nangokufundisa. Nawe mfowethu onenkinga mhlambe no baby mama noma nobaba wengane. Ngiyacela mfowethu ungayi koyilanda esikoleni ingane. Ngoba mawuyilanda esikoleni during isikhathi sesikole uzoboshwa izandla nenyawo lokho ifora under ukidnap ngoba kusuke kuyingane yothisha ngaleso sikhathi. So le nyoni yenza iphezindeke yona le yaseGoli njengoba isonto layo yayilakha based ekuthenini isebenzisa inyanga kade iqalile lenyanga im-exposer izama ukuqeda ngaleli sonto inyanga yakhe kodwa ibisashayeka lapha nalapha njengamanje sekuyifinali kile ingakho yona seyenza izinto engeke iziqhenye ngayo ngoba ubudimoni ukuthi ungathatha isikhali esilimazayo ube wild ujaha abantu ngocelemba. It's only idemon. If ungalazi idemon ukuthi yini noma yini mfowethu into elwayo noma elwa nawe lonto it's demonic. Idemon akuyona into ekuthiwa ngelinye ilanga uyolibona uthi honanti idemon. Idemon yinoma yini into elwa nawe edonsela impilo yakhe emuva. Idemon ngolimi lethu thina abantu sithi isilwane esisuke sesenzana sesifuna ukudonsela into zakhe emuva sifuna wenza into wrong sifune negazi ngoba isilwane nedemon basebenza ngegazi ngampela kuthiwa labantu bebengabaleke bajaha ngobhushu losidididi lo ngampela bezobalimaza kuphuma igazi kubona bese idemon lakhe nomsilwane sakhe mase siphuza igazi kudala mina ngasho ngathi le nyoni le yasegoli ngathi bafowethu impatha ngasho ngisho Khosini FM uma bengabuyisa lo interview yango 2017 ngikhuluma nginterviewer uSibu Buthelezi naye wayengibhedela ngaleso sikhathi kwayena engibuza into ayezama ukuchema nabafundisi ngoba wayekade esebenzisa ukuthi ngathi uyikholo elikhulu ukwazi ukubamba abantu inkunzi umuntu owaba neqiniso la interview kwaba uMroza Buthelezi namanje ngisamvuma uMroza ingakho kubalekile kubasakaza ngathi bangahamba nga2 ukuze lo munye mayebamba idemon akwazi ukumsiza lo muntu